or joining ISIS no Isaac Dinkuko or sa acronym, I think it's a Syria or so. And what happened is a Yachiomoa, I mean, ISIS for Nebusian for in an Husoka. I know, yes, I said,
no more recite to what
I say. In fact, alcohol normally more she, okay, or free UK, I think so far Turkey, and I call, I mean, Iraq or Syria. So, Wawuma on the ISIS Nina Wombania that in so, or yeah, British name, okay, into a so Banacrum.
Okay, upon Wako join one,
yeah, Wako join ISIS near the Dinano. So, a British name,
yeah,
so Banacrum now. A binding saying here, and yes, so a British name. A sunset over Panomo, baby, or free. And tea. Say, what the Bonia say, Yen Joe British has a Britain has a tea. Yen call over Panam Crum. And a court case by Irani Lucy, or Lucy or Court of Appeal, SR Lucy or Supreme Court. And see, a nona, ya the Asha Samra, and no can who be the Asha Samra Immigration Act, no. It is already British. Na say Udin in Munubia. So far as say Osaye national of another country, no. It with my British citizenship nephew him. I'm Rama home myself. The citizenship is not the end goal. Why not so Adibia was you know, on yes here, and I don't know yes. Or yes citizen we are
no,
we didn't say but in this you can still be penalized. Your citizenship can be revoked or curtailed if you commit certain acts that are against the law, Immigration Act. No, and no any answer meets me or question no.
But you tackle only the one who is just going to Syria. But I'm talking about the basic things like rape. Obiako Budai be burglary, such Niamano, Numuma Wahina Iya Ukruima, Ibotumina Elusi, or residency.
Mrano, so residency, Chichimumi, sir. You be a Wabakrumasi or leave to remain. Okay. Oh, was it a temporal? And Yadia. Yasha was also in a chromacy
forever.
Permanently. And see, I know Udi Oya Bonia, and as you run as well on Shisha, it's me you free chroma because your stay is not conducive for public good.
Just for 5 years or
so when you're now in permanent residence.
Okay.
Yeah. In Siano Sano, a choir, if also, and you say your stay is not conducive for public good, say, what your permanent residence now? Now you're sure. I say, where the bonny be pain? I want to say, I was here. And so, what you can know, fine, if you're not, I'm reporting on my own. Near my citizenship. Sorry, I'm a permanent residency. But the appreciate training who are, I just saw the intro, and I would be actually now permanent residency. And see, I'm one, I'm right, you're not quite the cure, a Bronco permanent residence. No. So, yeah, fancy, skilled worker, and now could be another immigration route. So, on your permanent residence are Udi Bonibia, it's me, Emma, permanent residence. No, indefinite leave to remain, and as a permanent residence. No, yeah, you possess a Bonibia now, dear. You bet Magisa when influence him. Yeah, and shed and trouble Bonnie, I was so dear, I bet you influence him. But Yachim said, Bonnie or qua. Oh, yeah, Nasa, a bit me the upper to if you say a free affair could see in fear 9. Okay, and no, if you can sing for whom can say, I'm obeying me, Aji, I'm obeying me, Aji, Emma permanent residence. No, okay, 1 year to 4 years. So, Bonnie, New Year Bonia would do, Nasa, you bet me the one from 4 years and above. And then, if you can sing for and run a show, we say, it needs some of the mouth.
Okay.
Okay, and we shall refuse, and answer shall curtail. but say between 1 and 4 years they may and a non-custodial sentences normally they wouldn't consider that. Into driving offenses normally it's not considered. However, so be non-custodial sentences and a non-custodial sentence not a repetitive. He said, why, yeah, no, say, you say, you are speeding, we're speeding near fine points, speeding near some fine points. So I to as well. Now, I say,
that's what I continuously
consistent offender. And here, no, sir, I bet me see permanent residence at one point. Yeah. The second one, no, a more permanent residence, I say, which means, but nothing, a chroma say, in female, no, an army, sir. Ananu into a permanent residence no. Sanko for no. If you want a butcher also nyane say obey permanent residence or you can say into on press obey naturalizing. Or when I am on honestly the piano ni krakabia because you can still stay in forever. However, so butcher ni so okakwaye citizenship I don't know bonia would announce mra busu time our permanent residency, you better because you book yourself a question and say, what did you say, Nubia, or was if you can see for associate, and I said, anyhow. Now, say, oh, taking no, if you are no man who are no man, and also Udini PNC, a PNC, Police National Database. It's Udini so fine, be an but that you who are very vocal. Citizenship no and na Master Immigration Act na abano
Act 2022
yeah and once a year no yeah Tim say
okay
I mean say bibi o hobi hu here chemo bit majesty
but we feel that by share na maybe some question na bra papa we no we tum where you are na the bia how we immigration issue bia no the ba King's Court law one or Northampton would the amount for us some into no will be bia of a immigration will be no rapping na or that one no on na me no shitrim come way but we feel that by share page na obi just double what the kakadama unia so I won't know share unu be boshe into no ye know them the yesia into obi anyo ya perfect ye nsia nkakakra na ye fa mbo ya bra kapme bra ye ba kai kodu baby also wa ha ebi abotume da ma unu be invite or Ghana no da ba ni na no ha kira ha na bete wo ni nte wo baby a the Osayin Omega or YouTube no bo Osayin TV and Facebook no so Osayin Omega ma we feel da ba share open bi get ma kan ya ta but ma fa bi ntwe no me misa question bi Ghana mra in the UK mra no ni na ya kra na da bibi o mo gbo ebra because say obi a UK citizen na opada ko Ghana or contest position to the MP hanu wa allow dual citizenship why the Ghana wa allow dual citizenship there will be on ko parliament or the UK full or passport ma ho ansa na we too wa contest the position mra no at there wo kakra no
we did anka me colleague bako or Ghana or lawyer Ghana ni Ghana say lawyer has a dual lawyer
yeah okay
Georgina na wasn't going to answer that question.
Okay, Georgina, more office.
Yeah, so, okay. But I would attempt it because I did law in Ghana as well. I mean, most of it apart from criminal law. The Michigan say constitution in Ghana and country will be as a untimi dual citizenship, and I say untimi we are citizen our country be a untimi and yep MP and our president. That's not what the constitution states. I can say you can't be a member of parliament and as a president whilst you owe allegiance to another country.
Okay.
And that is the statement, allegiance to another country. And he said, yeah, we were country. And so we are Ghana ni and now no papa Ghana for nearby UK. Automatically you are citizen of UK. Okay. You can contest elections in Ghana. And it's all Uja citizenship or UK and San Marco contested. However, say Uba UK now you're more than 18 years, and that's all called country for so now you're more than 18 years. So Uncle Joe citizenship, I swear allegiance. I am for kind of ceremony. Okay. So I say me come a champion, me share boss me assume King Charles the second and the third, and yeah, me na me share boss me di UK mraso uwomu and your allegiance. So you pledge allegiance to UK. Say we nipa why sa answer now your citizenship. Then your allegiance to UK, then as well as Ghana. Into who say nipa kono untimi contested. But say nipa kono nyane citizenship at age before 18 years why all allegiance answer now oje.
Okay.
What do you say?
So that mba kakra me.
Yeah, so omu nya citizenship at the age of 17 or before 18 then they can be citizens in Ghana and UK and can contest both countries because they didn't get citizenship through allegiance. Enti I'm say kakra meet me aka for hono.
You the author so because Nancy and Aya in the was you work to you and say no na akaye intina me dey no me dey botwe.
Now we say we MP na.
Oh David.
Okay, say.
Yeah.
What's you?
Is that when you have a Makaya MP that no chede. Mrs. Can me call you be. We can call you be. Yeah, right. Yeah, the topic. Yeah, divide. We get to them. Sisi ano. Damo kaya samia. Sisi aba sense mu komi. Bebre wo persuade. Bebre wo persuade. Na wonya bi. Ende me yo bi kasa na say. Yimpa no so benya so shama no benya 10,000. Hey, me figure na ba bo me ye gbe me 2,000. Adi so ni feeling same. E da do be no ho sisiara.
That was a question of some, I did back what I was say, you know, let's understand and situate the things better. Say, I did revoke the license, and I say, you're revoking the employer license. Now, I'm not trying to say, you cancel and I will leave her. Then you would need to switch.
Okay.
But say, you're revoking your employer license, keke. Anything happens, also, make catch us a train. My insurance and I was switch.
Home office for intro.
And son was switch. Be an employer now, can I say, be a student. And I want to school, yeah, sure. Okay, because one kokra, they mean say that is not the law, that's the practice. How what I any man say, I mean, curtailment only mubia, then you have two cut and films in my amount 60 days.
60.
Your mouse are 60 days.
Okay.
But so only mubia and your mouse are 60 days. So you're students, and now apply so we back Chroma Besuna there on a student visa. Now by when is school that when we be at school in Paul. Now school need sure because simple say as me see am school now. What send prakono be at 6 months, 9 months down the line no. If because simple bet sure. I'm not sure what I'm major catching everything from the day I'm not sure no. Because when is school more. Now so say o school more now your registration and I want baby more. Be an area bomb, be an BBSC. Into no sano. So one kokra be at 6 months, 9 months down the line. Because in for throw or throw or more 60 days. Okay? Want me to outright because we register NT. Baby mess you into a one school. So they can't just curtail it once and for all. Okay? So they give you the time to do all these things. And oh yeah, skilled worker you're revoking your employer license. Now in Mobia. Then now out. You know, this is one thing you can do. From the 4th of April 2024, skilled workers now, your more can say they can work for themselves. They can be self-employed. Okay? So 20 hours near the amount wo sani pano we skilled worker no main kind independent skilled worker nankasa no you can work 20 hours self-employed then I bet me this self-employment. You can set up a business for yourself. Okay, initially now it's me skilled worker now it's me, but now you can do it. You can set up a business, you can set up a company, but you can only do that for 20 hours. With me, I mean, a lot of self-employed jobs here. Uber, Deliveroo, I mean, for Memano, anything online, which media generates legally, which may, any idea about him, which media establish it, they say, I mean, be a bit only, and you can do something private, self-employed based, no, you can still do it. So, only as a beka, we any me and son and I, Bekabuma Setia Bibia, you can still do it. So, although it's a small change in immigration rules, no, it can have a very big impact if Unyankophobia, Maka, Madrian Boom say, Mitch may be Ghana food near the day. You can obey me. We are there, dear, no one.
Because about to my ear, she don't buy about my ear, and I got to talk that will be more.
I mean, especially using apps like Deliveroo and stuff like that, you can put me here, Dianica Kra near the day. Or you don't need to open a shop or something like that. All you need to do is set up a business, say a money container, a mona with my packaging, or container more nice ones there any other day. You can start something like this, take nice pictures of it, and start your own food processing thing. Say, I'm just trying to give people the opportunity to open their minds. It's not always say there, but your leave to remain gives you the opportunity to work outside. Why can't you use that or explore that option? Until kakra makes me account for a question now beside me no.
Okay. Me get that I program now you go to know question na maybe say no one and no you know patch there edwuma bebre wa wankasa botum na ankasa ye button ton niama bi o ma eton niama no online na aton ni na no say ihia idea bi kwan a wo fa do bo business na wo register so me get that open wo bo hu a botum abo ho because I sometimes we can obobu business obobu company but na here be kasi bi the mean to know.
No, setting up a company is the easiest thing you can do. You can do within less than 10 minutes on your phone. Which may call set up a limited company in the UK. Look at the pros and cons of setting up a self-employed. Okay, Abra won't be a company be wow, without any difficulty at all. Okay, and that's will be a company now. They are running will be a company. It has its own benefits in that you can have your own company bank accounts. You can get loans from the bank and stuff like that, and it has a bit of an image, which means respect, which means as compared to proprietor and assets self-employed. It's easier for you to do those things, especially online marketing. Now there are a lot of things you can do. Gain a lot of money from it without breaking a sweat. I mean, at the comfort of your home. And another BIA may can say, more skilled worker, especially the graduates, they have to. It's not easy as I'm saying, but if you can break boundaries, this is how you can do it. There may be some skilled companies companies, big companies, okay, or more companies, no, money crata, but more companies in cars, or a lot of cars, vehicle, fleets. Okay, because as much as they be only and nothing, okay, but again, or to me explore nine opportunity man of agree. In fact, I'm part of the benefits to work with other people like that. I buy into me new moving Chroma because of the impact they have on the economy.
But you document
on one case so that
will be a Jumano.
Will be a Jumano Afanipa, well over 60. Okay, out your mocha. It's easier to do that that can be a self-employed person. You can open a company, especially Yama Kwan say, So I always advise people in my Kwan say use it, open a company, keep it aside. It become on you see. Because everybody buy a bit metrum, and stuff like that. I quite remember 2013 or so. I mean, student visa, now it's going to me with me be a company. 2014 thereabouts, and I'm more free. So you can't open a company when you're a student. So when you're students, no to be a company, I'm gonna tell we cramp
company no.
Or home based media also the with my delivery, with my whatever you want to do. Okay, so I think, your question is well answered. Yeah.
Due to that program, no, I am very, very educative now. Me mama say that say isha share no new be so on share because the them right I will the here ayati no still don't baba ha in the ya kenya ya kase obi in da na nsa kan passport ai okeje o da kama ai osofu wa abodom pa ma yemi aduma o china waso onko submit into no once acquaint to ho no all the yesua no mo niama obaba nyina because say ensua na enya niama bi na yiwadu ye ya de bia no bona akichi because the MCOS asemi no bebre sisi ano abaye problem bebre ya ikroyi mu da na no da do ma wo ba kroyi no obi o ma edwuma obi o ma na kasa na penyina e ba ntina wo mo 20 hours per no na dependent no mo ma no on ye me na yin mo no one restrict no hours o ba ntina wo ba na da no
se penyi senior must have shown Murano. On per se, you better, migrant can be overworked. There will be a friend of Modern Slavery Act. Okay. I think it's 2015 or so. If I'm not wrong, I'll cross check it. Say, Obi, your man, Franny, no, a back row for Swan. And Rani said, or no, be never be a Juma.
Okay.
If I can say, what shall I say? Women at Juma 37.5 hours. People who are 39 hours a week. And he said, oh, yeah, Juma 39 hours a week. Now, by the man who finds on year Juma for fire. Which Mr. Kaka Juma be about 30 hours, which is about 60 hours a week. Be not break it down. Why not a demon to my UK buying? Because I'm on a coin so on yes, Juma. And he, in order to avoid that, I'm 39 hours and I said 40 hours to work with your sponsor. They believe say the maximum you can work is 60 hours a week. Okay. And he said by almost show my own year Juma bebrain. Tina mama 20 hours a week extra to work somewhere else. Okay. Because employer no 40 hours a week.
Okay.
But by now they should know employer a month 40 hours a week, But so as a son of mama we Juma unlimited elsewhere. On my 40 hours a week. Be no man some employer because employer do after 40 hours no to extra time overtime. But so we put me Juma for be no one just overtime now money. Isha na basa into a policy directive. Into now students no. Mobile Chroma say Musunya 39 hours a week. So they give them 20 hours to work outside the 39. Into now, some students na after vacation no, put me Juma unlimited.
But I no go school.
Yeah. I know go school to my Juma unlimited, but where can I do Juma to buy? And to me, I say after BBNT year Juma.
That's a way employer then to my more 40. Or more 40. If I'm an employer now, I was all the money in a week, and then 20. But I had 20 I can't nowhere elsewhere.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah. With my 20 account home. 20 day so far so all service I know. Only employer engagement with my 20 elsewhere without difficulty there. Yeah. Even employing more 1 hour cramp now, still you can work 20 hours elsewhere.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
One of them, one penny, you probably a human brother. I the employed Akafanda on I find that 1 mile, what be see.
Yeah.
See, no, you need hours or 20 hours or 40 hours or because if you have a cramp on a apnea, you man, ada. Never be able to myself border or also overflow.
Yeah.
You know, one shut down for hours, no engagement. Was it share hours I want to see now? Over 40 hours a week.
100%. I agree.
Yeah, over 40.
Yeah, I brought 60 hours a week. I brought 4 hours sleep. And that's why there is a lot of modern slavery allegations and I said modern slavery cases on board, no. Sure, no. I didn't be the one person who say, you know. Because migrant coins on your juma unlimited a be na akoya juma over time na ombeshe na juma se no na ni krampukum it is not even effective at the workplace no intina
no obotuma we danger ama one more you only you
any ko form show mon kasa yeah I think that's the reason why we know it is yeah.
Yeah, this is a game more update about this week, you know, my immigration update and that one the biara was be na yes no yeah no once a week, you know, every week biano yeah more back.
Yeah. Yeah, immigration changes every time. You guys say last week the day I come to me ABC I had a call obviously can't disclose the call no but nipa cross say oho one obi besran oho na your friend say if you get him for bath if you yeah whatever happened there I don't want to discuss it ebiana story near quite similar at the end of the day you know I'm going to find nipa cross if you and yeah, who may be a modern in the back now, or from the so Siciano, a better one in the back where can you find a person? Okay, because if it's in for the funnel, where is a possible place they can take him? In the back corner, so no, or name the number of head. In Tinya, there, number in your power, because or bet my friend. I can say that to me, and I say that to me. Only will be out from say, and what can happen?
Whatever from so called.
Whatever funny. But I think it happened on Friday or so, and I think even up to Monday we are trying to find out. See, that's the question. That one. See, then what can happen? And in Naya, they be a say, Abaya. So, Krata Samie, Bibisa now. You know, first of all, make sure you get in touch with the lawyer, okay, and make sure so that you're on the lawyer's file. And to be says here, before you even talk to immigration officers and stuff like that, it's easier for you to say, let me talk to my lawyer first. Then you can liaise with them, or you can give your lawyer's contact. Say, okay, King's Court Law, immigration phone in King's Court Law. Okay, so they can call either myself or any of the lawyers here, say, hey, this is a situation on the ground, and you'll be a friend of Smisi. Any of my lawyers can Google and find the data on our system. So as soon as you say, then we can go to the rescue. But say, idea say, as soon as you know, minimum the date of birth. Say, Bibia Crampona or no me. Okay. It will be difficult for me to go to the police station or to go around police stations or Ikroma. Say, me clients, your prefer your man right to see the lawyer for me to challenge the case and bring the person back. Mean to me, yeah. Because
you may be all.
Mini may be all. Anna, the person who may be all easily. However, how do I even get access to the person? Maybe I wanted it's easy for me to find out. However, say who may be a one, and ya dear mamma in Nakasa, unless say or no mum, I instruct me say ne lawyer ne me ntimi nko say me person me represent we ntimi fa ne details ma me what I say enti sen prakwana ni mo nkitahudi a it would be easy for me to because me nya frɛ ya me yo ya I'm say King's Court law and I represent no but say a banner say the nimo also ni ya it's quite shameful and that is what is happening now. I mean na ebusuano de suni ya oni adade o me pacho but it becomes much more complex because I can't just stop whatever I'm doing and engage with someone who is not my client and I don't know whether he's even going to pay for my resources, etc. And see, it becomes very, very difficult. But if the person is my client, then I have an obligation, a duty towards that. A woman and come baby, we have to find out a way to salvage the situation. So that's why I always keep telling people, say, hey, if you have issues like this, it's better you find a way like that. And see, I mean, for that particular case, we are still trying to find out, and hopefully, if we have a disclosure of the person, if you are bit me, a day, I mean, I have a scenario and answer for two a day, but say, we are obina, I mean, Prakono, unobiti no ninkrata. The book of kind of Prakono citizenship. I mean, there are a lot of people. Okay, there are a lot of people who can show you British citizenship card and British citizenship passport, but only citizenship.
It's a passport too.
Yeah.
But
only.
On a child.
No, with a passport, no.
It's a British book.
With a British book, but it's not real.
Okay. No, you're fake. And,
it could be fake. It could be anything. Okay, a lot of people. And even to the extent that, I mean, it will quite me the big coffee, but I'm going to say a real, but it's not. I know they still investigate and find out these people. I've worked with a lot of cases like that. I mean, Obiti catch me, okay. I mean, I'll come back. Yeah, you're deporting. I never know as I will say. Okay, a lot of things. So the thing is that only obiti not teach you being in krata and asubisana. Find a way to ensure say what are the contingency plan in case if for PR then a bit my in case police are watching and the patrona then also you should have a contingency plan, at least a lawyer on speed dial. Okay. An immigration lawyer on speed dial. Sinebaya buy no ndin wo no. And once I can say, hey, I'm not talking to you, this is my lawyer, speak to them. And then keep quiet. Because once you are being detained or arrested, whatever you say will be taken into evidence and will be used against you. It's never used for you. Okay? 2 years Miranda rights in America say, hey, you have the right to remain silent, everything you say will be used against you. It's not for you. Until Park and the Crest say, Ibechiano, and they are affected case no. So that's what I have for my people I can share for them. Say, please make sure, say, you know, you have these things sorted. And Tisana say, see, normally I wouldn't entertain that cases. I don't think any lawyer worth his salt would entertain it. But I am not family neighbor. Patrol, Midin show, also for me, be a bem so Mr. Boami. I wouldn't have the time for you. That's the truth. Because it takes about 3 times the time I'm in for Sir case in Pakoni and client. I can get disclosure easily, I can get the person released easily within a matter of hours. So my name is Pakona. I feel as I'm in Pakono. Let us also make sure come if you for more penny for any other thing in some amount more sign. A bit might take be 8 hours or even a day. Andrew or not or more interrogative at your information, you know. So it becomes a lot of pressure for all of us. So again, let's take it as a word of advice for all of ourselves.
But you do a Krubia cage, last one, and I'm a pellet so. Oh, yeah, you were found there. Woman would think what they skill work and buy. I think that will be more a brave Buddha. Will be renew on the document. Woman would think our papa no. You did that, but my data was started that whatever. Now, woman more 2.5, now woman more 5 years now. You did will be more what one time what about 2 years in Papa one. What will be renew on the document. The middle of the time by no what the was started will process. Time men or start will process. Baby, the expiry date in good order about what would all come was by him and then the baby was start will process.
Normally, immigration rules no paragraph 34 say, over your leave to remain, and I say also extended leave to remain now. You can start the application at least 28 days before the expiry of a visa. Sometimes it's 3 months ahead. Okay. Over extended and the leave takes 3 months for a decision to be made, so you can do that within 3 months, or at least 28 days before the expiry of your visa. No, now the application not to. Then, so the application to more. Na sayokrata ne wu a, and not justokrata ne wu. You still have a leave because of appliance andokrata ne wu no. Your mouth buying bobby. I find a section 3C leave.
Section
3C leave. In the Immigration Act 1971, Section 3C, it says, "Obi your application," and I say, "Obi a year application and crata in young way." But application to more automatically no. If casing for next and any crata no, indefinitely. Copy somebody decision on crata no there too no. Okay. And you say, "Obi crata ne buy we non employer now didn't buy no." We're losing the sponsorship, and that's or break, and now we just obey switching on ya, obey my consult here, then we can give an advice on what to do next. I bet my bono. Okay. I am for.
Why you I can buy 3 months, man, all boy, the employer no lose license. No. More I can't say I'm in the buffalo.
So by no near Juma component still your BB a bit man one. Okay.
It's if my sumo or your King's Court law or your power down in a Yankasa, your brother Clement. Igman, why we do when you make many you are do, and to know your best issue program here. Not I ever share. Mamma Pie, I was a share, not commenting, not liking. Now we be near share. So I won't look at American passport in pool. No one I was a share. No one will be our baby and the open to the man and more than be not urbano. We get there. Ghana baby, I look a cockon. A young boy, Nessa Queen Jabba, that would to Kana Bay, you may be. Say, you may be our Ghana while Nessa Queen Jabba, then Butum Quada, no so to watch she will be. Not if you know, young cocoa, no be a yuma. Also to me that buffy on internet yet bread in code out yet but yaba no dey my free into so dey my free was what I buy there also what the forward ma when yanko na when yanko so forward na mo share ko na ye nyina ye dey sua de na enuano ma wo da mo field na sabi owo hu da me eyi a wo so etum eta na mo na wa ba nzi say eba ma ya papa de ai na handle so that yeah or yeah one office address one line and one number or that you get ama here na some more show we chi kwan mo etum na mo aba open.
Okay, say the Diakano, King's Court Law, your Northampton, but we do with cases around the UK and even outside the UK. I'm for a friend from Ghana, from anywhere in the world. What I would advise people, they say, go online now, www.kingscourtlaw.com. you can book for consultation. We have a time with you. We sit, then we understand your case. Then, if it's possible, or there is a likely, there's a chance of success in your case, we talk to you, say, oh, you're happy with that, we can open a file, then you can start working on your case. It's easy as that. You don't need any long processes there. Obetumi akọ online, www.kingscourtlaw.com. So, oh, you're a client, you know how to reach us already. Number here is 0208
0208
088
088
3088.
3088.
And
Or
then
just to be a one.
0208
0208
088
088
3088.
3088.
But you say, oh, Ghana, and as outside the UK, or the +44, ebedi kind, and send them wire. And then, as for WhatsApp, any other, either WhatsApp or any Alpha. Yeah. But I think the best way to reach out always is online, or www.kingscourtlaw.com, which my say you'll be a few when him and I say, you see computer and a and book your appointment near the then you can call this number, then we can assist you to book it, and then we can talk with you and to you for that matter. So you'll be a you can say, now person back officer, still book an appointment, and we can get you to the office as soon as possible. Your office is now Northampton, Bracknells, opposite Barclay Card, Honeyeo, 400 Pavilion Drive, and then for 7 PA. Northampton Hona, beside Morton Park, Obenya, 25 Pavilion, and also postcode NN3 6BJ. Hona Bitmenya now Bitmedi, but all outside the country, and I say even if you are further in areas of the country, a bit minimum Zoom, and I say any of the platforms via WhatsApp, any other than now, it's made immigration, and I say support be also the in legal way, you do that and then help you with your ways. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you made a baby, maybe feel or your King's Court Law, also they bring the law to your doorstep. What the Mrananka said, no, what the Bawanka Sawabu Bonano, na ehu, all right, you know, or your firm Casapa, Yakramo. Bye bye.
Thank you.